The Lutron Diva dimmer switch is a popular choice for homeowners looking to add dimming functionality to their lights. It's known for its ease of installation and compatibility with a wide range of bulbs. Lutron offers smart Diva dimmers that allow remote control via smartphone apps and compatibility with voice assistants like Google Home, Siri, and Alexa. These smart dimmers often require a Lutron Smart Bridge for full functionality. Recent models, like the Lutron LED Plus Diva dimmer, are designed for optimal performance with LED bulbs, offering smooth, flicker-free dimming. Before installation, it's crucial to understand the difference between single-pole and three-way switch configurations, as the installation process differs significantly. A key advantage of the Lutron Diva dimmer is that it typically doesn't require a neutral wire, making it suitable for installation in older homes where neutral wires may not be available. Safety is paramount when working with electrical systems. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before starting any electrical work. Always verify that the power is completely off using a non-contact voltage tester before touching any wires. This simple device can detect electrical current without direct contact and could save your life. The first and most critical step is turning off power at the circuit breaker. This is essential for your safety when working with electrical wiring. Remove the existing wall plate and switch. Before disconnecting any wires, take a photo of the current wiring configuration. This will serve as your reference guide during installation. Now connect the wires to your Lutron Diva dimmer. Connect the ground wire to the dimmer's green wire, the hot wire to the black wire, and the load wire to the red wire. Use proper wire connectors for secure connections. If your dimmer has a blue wire, this is for three-way switch configurations. For single-pole installations, cap off the blue wire with a wire connector. For three-way setups, follow the specific wiring diagram. Carefully fold the wires back into the electrical box, ensuring no wires are pinched. Mount the dimmer to the wall box using the provided screws, then attach the wall plate. Here are critical considerations for safe and proper operation. Check the dimmer's wattage specifications to avoid overloading. Only use with permanently installed fixtures and dimmable bulbs. For maintenance, protect the dimmer from dust and dirt during painting or construction. Clean only with a soft, damp cloth. Never use chemical cleaners, which can damage the device.